What's the meaning of backbreaking? Backbreaking. Backbreaking.
Backbreaking. Backbreaking. Backbreaking is an idiomatic expression that describes a task or activity that is extremely physically demanding, such as heavy lifting, farm labor, or construction work. The phrase suggests that the work is so strenuous that it can cause exhaustion, pain, or injury to the back muscles and spine, which are essential for proper posture and movement. It can also refer to a situation or problem that is difficult or burdensome to deal with, requiring a lot of effort and endurance to overcome. In short, backbreaking implies an experience that is arduous, challenging, and potentially harmful to one's health or well-being.